Hi everyone, Hannah here. So in this video we are going to show you what is in the new Shabby Chic Treasures box. We've had quite a bit of excitement about this box, and of course I'm super excited as well. And this box will be launching for February, which is just around the corner. And I've already got a sample one put together so that we can go ahead and unbox it. So this is your box that you will receive, and it'll have, some tissue paper, over it. So anyway, whenever you open it up, you're going to have this little baggie here. These are just some cute little items, and we'll go over that in a second. And then in this bag here is the rest of our Shabby Chic treasures. So we've got this just kind of all decorated up here. It was super fun to put this together, just ton of fun. So I'll just get this out. And I love these organza bags. I just absolutely love them. Okay. So when you get it, it's going to look like a little cloth book is basically what it's going to look like. And it's because we've got our beautiful fabrics folded up, so you'll have some seam binding that you can undo. Just take that off. And then we've got this beautiful ribbon as well, kind of iridescent color. We'll take that off. And then these beautiful little pom-poms. And so on our front cover, you'll see, we've got this beautiful trim here. And I just love these little dangly pieces. So it's got the 4 appliques, and it's held together with a bulb pin and a little fabric rose petal, and just this cute little pearl piece. And then also what we've got here is, these are actually little earrings. I mean, these are brand new, like I just made these. So don't think you're getting some used earrings, unless of course they were vintage. But and so it's just got a little piece on there, and then we've just got that, put back on there. So we've got this other one here with a little piece of a heart up underneath. It's smaller than that one. Then we've got these cute little Shabby Chic, kind of more on the shabby side. I wanted to do some shabby, some chic. So I love these cute little altered clothespins. So whenever you open it up, you're going to have this part here. And this is a beautiful lace material here. And then you've got this piece here that, you could put your seam binding through or some other ribbon through. And it goes all the way from this side to this side. And I guess that part came undone a little bit. So anyway, and it's, it's holding these keys together. So we've got this cute bronze key, and we've got this other bronze key. So just be careful when you're opening it. I don't want you to get poked. These are 2 corsage pins, and we've got a couple of more, and we'll go over those in just a second. So whenever you open this up, we've got some beautiful, beautiful, just absolutely love these. So we've got these beautiful appliques here with pearls and sequins on them. We've also got a couple of lace appliques here. And then we've got this beautiful, I just absolutely love this. Oh, of course, I just love that color too. It's beaded. It's just gorgeous. And then we've got this beautiful white. So you've got, you can leave it as one piece, or you've got this small piece here. You've got this large piece here. Or you could even break it up into many different pieces. I've done that a ton with appliques that I've had, you know, because you can cut around this piece. You got this little teeny piece here if you want to use that, this piece, this piece, this piece, and you can, you know, make it big or make this into 2 pieces. You just got lots of options there. Y'all know me, I love options. And these are 2 beautiful, beautiful vintage crochet doilies. They measure, I think, about what looks to be somewhere between 5 and 6 inches. And I just absolutely love them. I went to an antique store a couple of weekends ago and I bought this beautiful vintage crocheted doily afghan is basically what it is. And I thought, you know, it would, they were so beautiful. I really just wanted to hoard the thing for myself, but I was like, no, I bought this for my customers. So anyway, so it's absolutely beautiful. And then we've got this cute little mini rosette trim. And then we've got this beautiful lace, very beautiful cream colored. And it's kind of like a light cream, light peach color, really pretty. And then you've got this beautiful kind of like eyelet material, because, you know, it has like the holes in it, really pretty. And then underneath that we've got this beautiful lavender tulle. There's a 6 feet of the lavender tulle, a bunch of it, because I got a large roll and I was like, okay, let me divide this up so everybody can get a bunch. So everything is divided up so everybody gets the same amount. We've got this beautiful sequin material here. I know it's a little on the bling side, so get your bling on. And it's really, really pretty. You know, something just, you know, have like a little flashiness there. And then we've got this muslin material. I just absolutely love muslin material. Just, I like the texture, the feel. It's definitely got that shabby part of it going on. And then we've got this beautiful peach rose lace material. So you get a pretty good piece of it. And I just absolutely love it because it is here and then also extends onto the other side. So you get a pretty good size piece of it. And then behind this, we have this beautiful, very soft yarn vintage baby blanket. And I absolutely love it. I had bought it a couple of years ago and I was going, you know, I bought it at an antique store and then I cleaned it and I was waiting to see if, you know, somebody wanted it for their baby. Nobody really wanted it. I don't know, some people don't like used stuff, but it's perfect for these projects. So anyway, I cut it up to where everybody gets a good size piece because it goes from here all the way to here. It's a good size piece. And, you know, I can just imagine, you know, a beautiful, sweet baby being so warm wrapped up in this. And, you know, we still have a couple more cold months ahead of us. So I thought, you know, it's not too late for nice, warm blankets. So I definitely wanted to share that with y'all. I thought it was just adorable, just absolutely adorable. And so let me put all of this back. And then we've got that we'll put back. And then of course I showed you that on the back. And then we've got our little goodie bag. The fun does not stop. We still got some more goodies to go over. Let me maybe put that there. And just kind of, okay. So several of y'all showed some interest whenever I showed you the little Shabby Chic flowers. Now the ones in the tutorial that I uploaded, those are made with a glue gun. These I actually sewed. and they are gorgeous. And you could leave them kind of closed like this. You could open them up like that. And so I just absolutely love them. Love, love, love. That's my new favorite thing right now. And so you'll receive this beautiful picture frame. Beautiful angel wings. Absolutely love it. You could take, there's a bead pack in here. You could take some of those beads or pearls, put on there. I'm super excited about that. You've also got some cute little sequins here, little iridescent hearts. Now each pack will have a different variety of these. And let's go ahead and open this. So you've got this beautiful little butterfly with the vellum on there. And so in this bag, you're going to have 10 rose petals, fabric, pink rose petals. And I just absolutely love those. I know we're getting into Valentine's, but I mean, these are pretty all year long. So we've got that. And then let's open this. So in this is your stick pin kit. So we've got these 2 stick pins plus the 2 that were, you know, hooking some other stuff, attaching some other stuff to our little mini Shabby Chic Treasures book. And then in here is a bead pack. I know these are not very long stick pins. They're, I don't know, maybe like 1 3/4, 1 3/4 inches, maybe. I don't think it's quite 2 inches. I'm still in the market for some really long ones. So hopefully I can find some of those for the February box. But these are really cute. I like that it already has the pearl on it. And then you could just take some of these beautiful beads and, you know, put a few on there with some glue. We'll do some tutorials, give you some ideas of what you can do with these. But we've got like this beautiful, it's kind of like almost like a crushed glass look, pretty pink, got this baby pink leaf. I just absolutely love it. And we've got some glass beads, some Swarovski crystals. This is some dichroic glass. We've also got our, what I call filler beads. We've got some of our metal beads, you know, to kind of break up the, you know, in between maybe your crystal and your pearl. We do have some freshwater pearls. These are 2 freshwater pearls. We also have glass pearls. And then, you know, just different colors. You got a beautiful, like, kind of like a very light peach color, and then clear. So I'm really excited about that. They're absolutely gorgeous. And here's the other piece. And I'll just put that up later. And then in this here, we've got this little wooden spool. And you can actually take the lace off of it. It's, I think, about 2 feet. Oh, I dropped that. It's got about 2 feet of lace on it. So you can undo that and use it. And then in here are some more goodies. We've got some buttons. We've got some of these acrylic pieces. And then we've got some bling. So we've got 2 beautiful bling pieces here. And I am so excited about this kit. Absolutely loving it. And so that is what you're going to receive. And then we had pulled this off of the top, so you can take that bulb pin off and use that for your projects. So we will have these, well, by the time this video gets uploaded, we will have this kit available on our website at Dana Girls Designs for pre-order, and it will be shipping out, well, it'll probably be shipping out next weekend. We're actively working on getting all of these kits put together. We have a certain amount in mind, and you know, of the kits, and so we will have it available for pre-order on the website by the time this video gets uploaded, and then we will The date that these are available will be either until the second or third Friday in February. So these will only be available for 2 or 3 weeks or until they've sold out. And then that will give us enough time to go ahead and start getting everything ready for March as well. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I hope you love this product, and feel free to hop on our website and you can use the code GRAND20, and that's going to save you 20%. Thanks so much.